This is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. Thanks for checking out our Mountainscape cake project. This sweet design is perfect for a fall wedding or event. It's a great way to add a scenic touch to a nature-inspired event, and the slate blue color scheme goes well with a variety of color palettes. This cake is a great introduction to making tiered cakes. Its petite size means that the tiers are easy to handle while you learn how to place supports and stack cakes. The monochromatic mountain scheme adds an easy-to-accomplish ombre effect that can be applied with a palette knife or spatula. You can easily customize this design by changing the colors up to match various mountain ranges or to mimic the seasons. Follow along with the step-by-step videos to learn it all, from filling and frosting your cakes to making your colors and using a palette knife to apply frosting for beautiful, beautiful designs, and stacking your tiers. This class can be bought as a standalone lesson, or you can get this plus so much more by signing up for our yearly membership. For more information about yearly membership or this course, go to www.cakedecoratingSchool.com. Hey everyone, we wanted to tell you a little bit about what paid membership to our school includes. So you'll get 12 themed project classes, one that drops each month. You could buy them separately, but you'll save a bunch by going with the yearly membership. We also do a bunch of Instagram live classes that we record and post to the platform for our paid students so that they can watch at their convenience or rewatch anytime. We like to do a lot of little companion projects for our themed classes and also some seasonal content along with some simple techniques for our lives just to help bolster your basic decorating skills. We also have what we call our foundation vault videos that include basic recipes you'll need to decorate with and also some techniques and just great foundations of cake decorating. We also have some plans to include some bonus material that will be accessible for our yearly students only. So we hope you'll check it out, we hope you'll join us, and we hope you'll have lots of fun decorating.